I am Saya Devi, founder of Jaim Trust. My brother Jairaj inspired me to start Jaim Trust. He was my best friend and a sweet, loving child for my parents. However, he was intellectually disabled. The government school did not accept him. My father was a daily wage worker, could not afford to send him to a special school till he was 15. When I was visiting him at school, I was shocked to see that his hands had been tied up to restrain him because he was hyperactive. This incident affected me very much. And so, after my BCom, I pursued BEd Special Education and also Diploma, in which I secured All India first rank. Unfortunately, Jairaj passed away in my arms when he was just 19. It was then I had a dream to help all children like Jairaj. I started Jaim Trust in his memory in 2011 for the children with autism and intellectually disabled. There are a number of problems that autistic and intellectually disabled children and their families face. At JM, we understand their challenges in a detailed and specific way. Every child who enters in JM is assessed across 400 motor and functional parameters over a period of 2 weeks, enabling us to evaluate individual children's specific needs. This helps us prepare a customized individual educational program depending on the extent and nature of the disability. Parents are our key partners in this process. We have full-time senior staffs to managing the operation and 20 dedicated qualified special educators and therapists. We follow not the easier NAOS curriculum, but the more rigorous Tamil Nadu State Board curriculum. Our focus is all-round development of every child. Along with special education, we incorporate with music, yoga, dance, and special Olympic program in an integrated manner into our curriculum. We also provide nutritional meals. We provide skill training for their livelihood so that they can be economically empowered. Our 13 years journey has been very difficult, but we are proud of the difference we have made in the God's own children. Cumulatively, we have impacted lives of 1650 unique children. A remarkable fact is that our results in the board exam have consistently been 100%. We successfully transition 15% of children to the mainstream school every year. Our holistic program have helped many children to reduce their dependence on medication. Meet Harish Reddy. He was similar like Jairaj. His parents felt helpless. No school would grant him admission, but Jayam welcomed him. With a continuous support and guidance, I'm proud to say that Harish topped the SSLC board exam, also provide follow-up and counseling support for his higher studies. He qualified as a mechanical engineer and working with TVS company, earning 30,000 per month. His parents thought Harry should become a burden for his family, but now he is a proud breadwinner for his family. We feel humbled by the numerous awards we have received, but we want to grow more. In order to grow our impact more, our biggest challenge is that of infrastructure. Currently, we operate 3 small rented premises and utilize the ground on a part-time basis for sports. We have been compelled to accommodate 165 children in the space that can only accommodate 120. Our vision is to create an integrated model school with its own ground for sports. Our plan is to provide best in class education for 180 children from underprivileged families in this school. We need funding of rupees 2.2 crore to give a concrete shape to this dream. You can also support one child education for a year of rupees 48,000. Once this integrated school stabilizes, we aim to many schools in Chennai with this best practice so that they can also realize their full potential. I don't want any child to face the fate of Jairaj. Join us in transforming the lives of these very special children. Thank you.